This is the secret way I make money online using Instagram theme pages. I was stuck in a 9 to 5, had no audience, no network, and no clue how to make extra income. But then I built a theme page that started bringing in daily sales. And in this video, I'm breaking down the 3 steps that made this happen so you can copy them too. Step 1, pick a niche where posts go viral. Your niche is everything. If you pick something random that doesn't get engagement, your page will feel invisible no matter how many times you post. That's why you want a niche where content already gets shared and saved. Some of the best niches are motivation, fitness, side hustles, wealth tips, and self-improvement. Think about what people post on their stories. What do you see over and over? Quotes, reels about success, fitness transformations. Those go viral because people actually want to share them. When I first got started, I made the mistake of picking something too random, thinking I could stand out. But as soon as I switched to credit content, my page started growing fast because I tapped into what was already working. Don't waste weeks overthinking and just pick a niche that already got proven demand. Your goal at this stage is simple. Build a page that grows fast and builds trust quick. Step 2, post viral content daily. Theme pages are powerful because you don't need to create content from scratch. You're just curating content that's already performing well. Look for reels, quotes, or memes that are already blowing up and just repost them, but make sure to credit them. One trick that helped me go really fast was focusing on a ton of posts with shares and saves, not just likes. Because when people share and save things, that's content that they want to share with their friends and family, and that type of content spreads. When I started posting 1 to 3 times a day consistently, my page went from dead to active. And this process didn't take hours. I just batch them out using apps like Canva and Repurpose.io, so all my posts would be set out for the week or the month. And yes, even if you have 0 followers at the start, this still works. Because Instagram's algorithm pushes content that gets engagement, not just content from big accounts. Step 3, add a simple digital product early. Here's where most people miss out on actual money. Don't wait for 10,000 followers before you make your first sale. Before I hit my first 1,000 followers, I already put out a simple digital product. You could put stuff like a checklist, a mini guide, a cheat sheet, or even a mini course. Just something that solved a problem in my niche. It was basic, but people still bought it. So I hosted my digital product on Gumroad. No fancy site required, no sales funnel. And then at first I priced it at low. I priced it at $17 because the goal was to build momentum. Now it's at $27. And here's the secret. When you position your product as a solution that your followers care about, you won't need a huge audience to sell. I got my first few sales from followers who were just curious or just needed support. And that first sale, that's what proves your system works. Your product could be as simple as a template, a planner, a budget tracker, a fitness tracker, anything that helps someone in your niche to take action. So now that you know the 3 steps, pick a proven niche, post content daily, and add a simple product early. That's how I built a page that makes sales daily even while working a 9 to 5. If you want help setting this up, I put together a free training that breaks down this whole process step by step. Check it out in the description box below and stop waiting to start. Trust me, theme pages are one of the easiest ways to build income online without showing your face or spending all day creating content. And if you want to see how this page use AI to make them a $27K a month side hustle, check out this video right here. I'm out though. Peace.